Dharma works, but the key to making Dharma work is meditation, the practice of meditation, whereby we familiarize ourselves with the insights that Buddha teaches on compassion and love and wisdom and so forth, and hold our experience of those teachings single-pointedly in meditation so that we allow those insights to mix with our heart and transform us. So we need to be able to meditate skillfully, and we can say powerfully. The question really is, how is your meditation? Is your meditation working for you at the moment? Do you feel that when you meditate, you are accessing real peace and happiness? You're taking Buddha's insights to heart, and that they are changing you and transforming you, transforming your life, your relationships. If not, what we want to do is improve the quality of our meditation. At this Dharma celebration, that's going to be the focus. How can we make our meditations more effective, more powerful, more joyful, more something that we just naturally want to engage in every day because we see so clearly through our own experience how it is helping us?